Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. So in the last class we have seen about the physical properties of metals. Around 5 to 6 physical properties already we have studied. In that malleability and ductility, these two topics are very important, so try to be focused, right? So in this class, remaining physical properties of metals we are going to be discussed, and their applications as per our final board exam we are going to be discussing here. Okay, so in that remaining physical properties, here first physical property I want to discuss about the conductivity. In case of conductivity, we have to be discuss about two things. One is thermal conductivity, one more is electrical conductivity. Okay, let us go for first of all thermal conductivity. Metals, they shows thermal conductivity. The meaning is nothing but metals are responsible for the transmit of heat. Heat will be transmit, okay, now easily, okay, through most of the metals. So we have to be say that metals are nothing but good conductors of heat. That means they shows thermal conductivity. And in your final board exam, they are going to ask you two questions. Which metals are best conductors of heat, and which metals are going to be act as poor conductors of heat? So best conductors of heat, you should remember the answer. So what is nothing but silver? The symbol is nothing but Ag. One more is nothing but copper. The symbol is nothing but Cu. And one more is nothing but gold. The symbol is nothing but Au. So these are the best conductors of what beta? Heat. So these three metals, they shows maximum thermal conductivity. Right beta. Next one is nothing but here I want to discuss with you which metals, okay, comparatively shows poor conductivity. So poor conductors of heat, here I am going to write poor conductors of heat. Try to be remember beta. One is nothing but lead. The symbol of lead is nothing but Pb, taken from lattice name plumbum. And one more is nothing but mercury. You know the formula very well. This is nothing but what beta? Hg. So these three are the best conductors of heat, and these two try to remember poor conductors of heat. What are the examples of poor conductors of heat? Lead and mercury. They do not show, and agar hai to bhi, okay, na little bit thermal conductivity will be there. Okay, so we have to be say that lead and mercury, these two are poor conductors of heat, and silver and gold and copper, these are the best conductors of what beta? Heat. Okay, so on the basis of that we have to be say that metals, they are going to exhibit thermal conductivity. Next point I want to discuss with you is along with that thermal conductivity, metals, they are going to exhibit another conductivity. This is known as electrical conductivity. Metals, they are going to show electrical conductivity. Why metals are exhibiting electrical conductivity? So the reason is nothing but I want to say that due to presence of free electrons. Due to presence of what beta? Free electrons. Such electrons are responsible for what beta? Electrical conductivity. That means we have to be say that metals are good conductors of what beta? Electricity. Means they can easily allow the flow of current. The meaning is nothing but electrical conductivity. What is mean by current? Current is nothing but flow of electrons. That's why I am saying here. So metals, they are having more number of free electrons. Free electrons are responsible for carry the current. So flow of current is nothing but what, Nana? Electricity or conductivity. So I am going to say that so metals are nothing but good conductors of electricity. Due to presence of free electrons, they are responsible to exhibit the electrical conductivity. The best example सबको मालूम, घर में domestic purpose घर में क्या use कर रहे? We are using copper cables. We are using copper wires. Yes or no beta? So copper wire, in that so free electron movement is there. Such free electron movement is nothing but electrical conductivity. Okay na beta? Right. So try to be remember. So here I am going to okay now show you some examples. Which metal shows okay now which metals are the good conductors of what beta? Electricity. So try to remember silver. Silver is the best metallic conductor to exhibit what, Nana? Electricity. So best metallic conductor to exhibit electricity is, again answer is nothing but silver. Next one is nothing but aluminium. Next one is nothing but, we have to say that. So this is nothing but copper. Like that, so many metals we can consider. So most of the metals, they are going to be act as good conductor of electricity. They will allow the flow of current due to presence of, okay na, movement of free electrons. Okay na beta. So these are the examples of, okay, good conductors of electricity, and here 3 examples, good conductors of heat nature, and here 2 examples, lead and mercury. These 2 are the poor conductors of heat. Okay na, right? Next point, here I am going to show you another point. This is very important and evergreen point, Nana. So the information is about sonorous. Very important topic. Sir, what is mean by sonorous? Sonorous का meaning क्या हो सकता? Sonorous. Sono means sound. Rus means produces. So most of the metals, they are going to produce this sound simply upon hitting, simply upon striking the surface. They are going to produce a sound. Such nature is called sonorous, and metals are said to be sonorous in nature. Okay, now once again, very important topic, sonorous. So this is the topic belongs to what, Nana? Metals. So most of the metals, simply upon hitting, or we can say simply on striking the hot surface, they are going to produce this sound. Such nature is known as sonorous. So most of the metals, they will be in which nature? Sonorous in nature. Because of most of the metals, they are going to produce this sound simply on hitting, or we can say striking the surface. For suppose you see the chain potato. So this is nothing but metal in a beta. So just listen here. Yes, I am hitting. So simply upon hitting, you are getting what? Sound. Upon striking the surface also, you are getting what? Sound. So such property is nothing but what, Nana? Sonorous. So once again, sonorous ka meaning, the metals that produces a sound on striking a hard surface or simply upon hitting, such nature is known as what, Nana? Sonorous in nature. So most of the metals, they are having the nature is nothing but what, Nana? Sonorous nature. So best example I am going to show you, Nana. First suppose example for sonorous is nothing but school bells. Try to imagine. So school bells ko, okay, na ऐसे घंटा मारे समझो, definitely you are going to listen a loud voice, a loud sound वहाँ से produce हो सकता, because of school bells are made of with what? Metals. So school bells are working on the basis of which concept? Sonorous concept. Okay, now. And also one more thing, Nana. Yes, that is nothing but musical instruments like violin, veena, like that. So musical instruments में ऊपर क्या रहते बेटा? Strings will be there. So simply by playing, simply by hitting, simply by striking, definitely they are going to produce this sound. That is also nothing but on the basis of sonorous. So school bells, and also we have to say that strings of musical instruments, they are going to be works on the basis of sonorous concept, because of they are made with what? Metals upon hitting or striking, they are going to produce this sound. Okay, now I hope you understand very well. Good, Amma. Next point is I am going to ask you, so all physical properties are covered, Nana. So up to now, almost all 7 to 10 properties we have discussed. So based on all physical properties, some NCERT questions, textbook questions I am going to ask you. Okay, in that question number 1 is, so पहले मैं यहाँ पर आपको question लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पर. The question is nothing but give an example for following. Give an example for following. Right? Which category I am going to ask you in that number 1 category? A metal in liquid state A metal in liquid state at room temperature. Come on, say the answer, beta. I told you, property number 1, physical properties में मैंने discuss किया आपको. A metal in liquid state at room temperature. What is the answer? Generally, metals at room temperature, they will be exist in solid form, but only 2 metals are there. At room temperature, they are going to be exist in liquid. So answer is nothing but what, beta? Yes, one is nothing but mercury, Hg, and one more is nothing but what I told you, gallium. At least to try to remember gallium, be perfect. Okay. Next point is nothing but I am going to be discuss with you. So gallium से आना है तो छोड़ दो, but try to be remember mercury. Okay ना, thermosmeter okay ना. I mean we can see in thermometer ना. Right. Next one is nothing but I am going to be discuss with you. Another question is metals easily cuts with knife. Easily cuts with knife. Okay, this also already I told you. So most of the metals, they are having strong metallic forces. That's why they are very difficulty to break. But okay, sodium and potassium, they can be easily cuts with what I told you, beta, knife. So your answer is one is nothing but what, beta, sodium, and one more is nothing but potassium. Next question here I am going to be discuss with you. Yes, same question. Best conductors of heat, they are going to be asked. Then your answer is nothing but silver and copper and gold, like that you can write. Next, fourth question is poor conductors of heat. Already I have told you what are the poor conductors. Okay, poor conductors are nothing but lead, and one more is nothing but what, Nana? Mercury. And what are the best conductors of heat? So one is nothing but what? Silver, and one more is copper, and one more is nothing but gold. Like that, 4 questions are there. All 4 questions are very, very, very important. Okay, now, right? So next, they are going to ask you another question. Cu, nothing but copper. Copper is used as cables. Copper is used as cables. Reason is why. Why copper is used as cables? So सबको मालूम, copper is nothing but metal. Metals are what, beta? Good conductors of metals are good conductors of heat. And one more thing, metals, they are having a special nature. So this is nothing but which nature, beta? Ductile nature. Means they can be drawn into wire. So that's why copper can be used as what, Nana? Cables. Bas enough, 2 reasons. Right. Next year I am going to ask you another question. So generally we will take what, Nana, in functions time. Okay, now we are going to take some, okay, now sweets, Nana. So on the surface of sweet, definitely one cover will be coated. The coated cover is nothing but what? Silver foil. Foil means what? Sheet. Yesterday I told you. Silver is nothing but most malleable metal. What is meant by malleability? Malleability ka meaning, upon beating, definitely metals goes to be changes into thin sheets. Such thin sheets are known as foils. So silver foils generally we are going to be used, okay, na, to cover what, Nana? Food materials such as sweets. So question A है कि silver foil is spread over sweets. Silver foil is spread over sweets. Reason is why? So reason is, try to consider, you suppose it is nothing but a piece of sweet, and you suppose it is coated with which cover? Yes, it is coated with cover, or we can say thin sheet, or we can say this is nothing but silver foil. Okay, now, yes, and reason number 1 is silver foil, nothing but silver thin sheet. So due to reason is nothing but silver is a malleable metal. Okay, ये तो okay. But reason is why sweets are coated with silver sheets. So reason is nothing but such silver foil goes to be act as such silver foil goes to be act as preservative. What is mean by preservative? For the preservation of food material. What is the food here? Sweet. So sweet items, they can be preserved, means they can be protected against the bacterial contamination. So किसी भी बैक्टीरिया से contamination नहीं होने देते. To prevent that contamination with bacteria, we have to preserve the sweet materials. For that purpose, okay, sweet materials, they can be coated with what, Nana? Silver foil. So the nature is nothing but, main purpose is nothing but preservative purpose. To avoid the bacterial contamination, sweet materials, they are going to be coated with what, Nana? Silver foil. Silver foil is due to the nature is nothing but what? Malleable metal concept. Okay, na? Good, Amma. Next, another question I am going to ask you. This is also a logical question based on physical properties. Yes, another question is, first suppose silver symbol is nothing but Ag, and one more is nothing but gold, symbol is nothing but Au, and one more is nothing but platinum, symbol is nothing but Pt. Okay, na? Right. So these three metals we are using in jewelry. You know very well, silver, gold, platinum. We are using in jewelry. For making what? For making ornaments. So the question is, why these three metals are used in jewelry for making ornaments? So reason number one is, these three metals, they are very lustrous in nature. Very lustrous in nature. Yesterday I told you in physical properties, property number 2. Metals, they are having a shining surface in their pure state. Yes or no? Such nature is nothing but shining luster or metallic lustrous property, nothing but they are having glowing nature. And one more point I want to say that these three metals, they are known as noble metals. The meaning of noble is nothing but they does not show reaction with any other. So the meaning is nothing but they are very less reactive. Very less reactive means high-fi metals. The meaning is nothing but noble metals. And also we have to say that silver, gold and platinum, they are very lustrous, means they do not easily undergo rusting or corrosion. So we have to say that they do not, okay, now undergo corrosion. Of course they will undergo corrosion, but as compared to other metals, okay, now do not undergo corrosion easily. Do not undergo corrosion easily. Due to these three reasons, in jewelry, okay, now for the making ornaments, we are using these three types of metals. Question to समझ आ गया, आंसर भी. Good. Next question I am going to ask you. So already मैंने question पूछ लिया आपको. Why school bells and strings of musical instruments are made with metals? So due to the nature is nothing but sonorous nature to produce this sound simply upon hitting or striking the surface. That question was over. Right. Next, another question is nothing but, so especially vessels, or we can say cooking vessels. So cooking vessels are made with what, Nana? Metals. Made with metals. Otherwise question is, why some metals are used for making what, Nana? Vessels. So reason is nothing but, so generally at home what we are using copper vessels, and in some cases we are going to be using the aluminium. So copper and aluminium vessels we are going to be used, Nana. Because of, again, copper and aluminium, such metals we are using for making what, Nana? Vessels. Because of, you know very well, metals are nothing but the good conductors of, metals are nothing but the good conductors of heat. Means such metals, they can transmit the heat. They can transmit the heat easily. वो heat को easily transmit कर सकते हैं. Next point is, I want to say that, okay, so by using such metals, If we made vessels, such vessels are very useful. Such vessels are very useful for what, Nana? Yes, in that case, food gets cooked faster. So food भी क्या हो सकता है, इसे कुकिंग जल्दी बनाना पॉसिबल हो सकता है ना, बिकॉज ऑफ दे आर easily transmitting the heat and they are going to be act as good conductors of heat due to such purposes. So we are making such vessels with what, Nana? Metals. Which metals we are using? Copper and aluminium. So try to remember the examples also, right? So last and final question I am going to ask you, that is nothing but electric wires. First, suppose this is nothing but copper wire. So generally in home we are using what, and copper wires for the purpose of what? Electrical conductivity. So on the surface of copper wire, here what will be there? PVC coating will be there. क्या करते हैं इसके? Copper wire and electric wires, they are goes to be coated with what, Nana? PVC, and sometimes we are going to use what, Nana? Very important, we are going to use some rubber like materials. So question is, why electric wires, for suppose copper wire, why electric wires are coated with PVC and rubber like materials? So copper is nothing but good conductor of what, Nana? Electricity. अगर टच किए समझो आपको शॉक लगेगा. So to avoid that condition, copper wires, they are coated with PVC and rubber like materials. Because of PVC and rubber like materials, they are going to be actors. They are going to be actors, insulators. They are going to be actors, insulators. Nothing but by coating with PVC and rubber wire, because of these two materials are insulators, they does not allow the flow of current. आपको कुछ भी करे तो शॉक नहीं लगेगा. Okay, so copper wire, it is responsible for the conduction of electricity, and they are coated with PVC and rubber like materials because of their actors, insulators. Means PVC and rubber like materials does not allow the flow of current. Due to such purposes, we are coating such electric wires with PVC and rubber like materials. I hope you understand. So these all are the applications of what, Nana? Physical properties of metals. 100% they are going to ask you the questions from these applications only. In next class, we are going to be discussing about the physical properties of non-metals. I hope you understand it.